Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know who I am, I go by locomoto.films online. I'm an automotive photographer and cinematographer, and I'm going to be continuing the build series on my Porsche 911 997.1 Carrera S. And in this video, basically going to highlight how we put the suspension in. And I went with H&R springs and Bilstein B6 shocks, just as a quick way to kind of get the car dialed in, get it so that it can get stanced and it performs well, and I keep that PASM, which is active suspension, on the Porsche where I can make it comfort mode and it stiffens it up just at a push of a button, so that's pretty cool. So I went to my best friend Missoni Cardenas shop called Tinker Co, and they just killed it, man. Like, we were there all night. We had to get it done because the very next day we were going to take it to AR Motorworks to get my wheels installed. So basically we had kind of a time crunch situation where we had to just get it done as fast as possible. We were able to just do it because it was one of those things where we just knocked it out. They did an amazing job, and check them out, man. They specialize in overland like builds and things like that, but they can do anything. They fabricate, they can weld, they do 3D printing. Hit them up. I'll have a link in the description below for their website. So if you want to book any kind of thing for your car, you can totally do that. So yeah, after we did it, took it out for a little drive, and the car honestly handles amazing. So I can't wait to get the wheels on there and the tires set up, and the car is just going to be super dialed in. And yeah, so enjoy.